ketofocus.com, and once again, I've teamed up with ChocZero to bring you a colorful dessert. Today, you're gonna taste the rainbow with this white chocolate no-bake rainbow cheesecake. Let's get started. The filling part of this cheesecake is really easy to make. It only involves 4 ingredients, and we're gonna be using ChocZero's white chocolate baking chips for the white chocolate portion. Their chips are sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. They're absolutely delicious and taste amazing in this recipe. Now, when I said this was a no-bake cheesecake, I kind of lied a little bit because we're actually gonna bake the crust. So let's start with making the crust. To make the crust, you're gonna need 1 1/4 cups of almond flour, 3 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of golden monk fruit. You can use Lakanto golden monk fruit or brown swerve, or if you don't want to use a brown sugar replacement, you can use whatever sweetener of choice you want here. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of chilled unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna put these in the food processor and pulse them together until they're fully combined. It'll make a crumbly type of mixture, and then we're gonna press this into our pie plate. Pop that into the oven at 350 degrees for 9 to 10 minutes. We're just gonna cook this until it's golden brown. Now that our pie crust has finished baking, we're gonna set it aside and move on to our white chocolate cream cheese filling. We're gonna start by adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream to a medium bowl and beating that until stiff peaks form. Then we're gonna set that aside. In a large bowl, you're gonna cream together 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese with 1 1/2 cups of melted white chocolate baking chips. We're also gonna add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. The lemon juice just really helps develop that cheesecake flavor. Once that's combined, we're gonna carefully fold in our whipped cream. Now comes the fun, colorful part. We're gonna be adding some food coloring to our cheesecake filling. I've evenly separated out my cheesecake filling into 6 different bowls because I'm gonna use 6 different colors. We're gonna have red, orange, green, yellow, blue, and purple. These are all the colors of the rainbow. Just add a few drops of food coloring, or if you're using a food coloring gel, just add a few little toothpick swipes of food coloring to that. Mix it together until the color is evenly incorporated, and then now it's time to layer our cheesecake. First, you're gonna spread down the red layer, evenly spread it around, and then you can pop it into the freezer for around 10 to 15 minutes just to help it harden so that the next layer is easier to spread on top. You wanna repeat this with all of your layers. Once your cheesecake layers have all hardened, now it's time to make our whipped cream topping. And let's make our signature ChocZero vanilla whipping cream. So we're gonna add 1/4 cup of ChocZero's vanilla syrup to our whipped cream mixture. Whip it all together until medium to stiff peaks form. And now we just top it on top of our cheesecake. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you tag us if you guys decide to make a no-bake rainbow keto cheesecake. Have a good one. Bye.